Now, I made up to 200,000 naira from this platform in 1 week. Now, I've made a video about this platform and told you people to go into it, and I see that a lot of you didn't take advantage of it probably because of nonchalant attitude. But now this is a live testimony of me telling you how much I've made in 1 week from this platform, and I've started accumulating new money there and discounting with speed. All right, I've made a comprehensive video about the platform. The platform is called GoShare. Now they pay you for connecting your WhatsApp on the platform. All right, when you sign up on the platform, you connect your WhatsApp, and every day they're going to be paying you a reasonable sum of money for free of charge. Where the money is when you start referring people. Now this referral process is not difficult, because referral gets difficult when you have to pay money to register on the platform. And here you don't pay money, it's totally free. So you can go to your church, tell youths in your church, tell everybody you know, tell your friends, tell your family, and anybody you refer, they're going to pay you 1,000 naira every 24 hours. The person leaves the WhatsApp connected. All right, now my candid advice is always connect a WhatsApp that is not so important to you to the platform. What I did is to get my mom's phone number, created a WhatsApp with it, and connected it to the platform. Then take the platform, take your link, copy your link, share it everywhere, share it on your WhatsApp status, let people join, tell people to make free money there, let them sign up. The sign up process is quite easy. The only difficult thing is what I'm about to show you now. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your WhatsApp on this platform so you start counting. I'm Solo Monchis from Solo Communications. Here we tell you different ways you can make money online, including affiliate marketing, content creation, digital marketing, and we go as far as tested platforms that promises to pay you, and then if it works, we bring it down here so you can as well make money from it. If this is what you like, make sure you click on the subscribe button and smash the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we drop videos like this. Let's go to my phone. Let me show you how to connect your WhatsApp to this platform and start making money. And if you have not signed up on this platform, please, the complete tutorial is either showing somewhere on the screen here, or you go to the description bar. You are going to see the video that will guide you on how to sign up on this platform, the A to Z, just everything you need to know about this platform and how to start making money on this platform. All right, let's go to my phone. Let me show you how to connect your WhatsApp immediately. Now, the registration link is going to be in the description bar. So when you click on the registration link, sign up. Then let me show you how to connect your WhatsApp after you have signed up immediately. Today is 23rd of December. I tell you that this platform, from this 24th to 30th of December, we are definitely going to be making like 20 to 100,000 naira if you can be serious with it. All right, I've made several withdrawals on this platform again and again and again. Now, before I tell you how to register, first of all, how to connect your WhatsApp. First of all, I've made a comprehensive video on how to sign up on this platform from A to Z, and it will be linked in the description bar, or to be showing somewhere around this video. Okay. Now, secondly, please, if you are linking the WhatsApp, make sure you link a WhatsApp you are not really using. All right, what I did is I created a WhatsApp with my mother's phone number. She doesn't use WhatsApp. You can get a friend's phone number that is not using WhatsApp, maybe that's using small phone, or you can even just get a SIM card that you're not really using, create a WhatsApp with it, and then get it linked on this platform, because sometimes your WhatsApp gets banned because we don't know what they're doing with it. My own has been banned for like 10 times, and I restored more than 10, like 10 times. All right, so to be on the safe side, make use of a WhatsApp that you don't really value. So just create a random WhatsApp. Of course, now we need money for Nigeria. We no go use because of this one. Say we know they do. No, guy, I need money. I go do. All right. So because you go do, please get a WhatsApp that is not truly valuable. So far so good. I found out that the main problem here with people usually get is how to connect your WhatsApp, and it's very, very simple. Right, when you sign up, immediately you are signing up, they're going to show you how to connect your WhatsApp. All right, and before then you are going to perform some task and make a 1,200 naira or be 800 naira immediately, which is very, very withdrawable. All right, you make it immediately, and then you can proceed into linking your WhatsApp. But if you sign up and maybe you didn't connect your WhatsApp immediately, please, what you have to do, or you get confused, just come to this place they wrote state, click on state. All right, when you click on state, you're going to see of WhatsApp status offline to be read like this. Just click on it. All right, click on it. All right, then click link with phone number. All right, you are going to impute the phone number that you used to create the WhatsApp. All right, this is my mother's phone number. Click on get code. All right, now they're going to send an OTP to the WhatsApp. All right, now click on it. All right, and then click on confirm. Let me confirm with my fingerprint. You can see there's a space here where you're going to impute the code they are going to give to you. So let's go back to the platform and you're going to see a code here. Can you see it? Let's put the code on WhatsApp. All right, they might not permit this one because this is not the WhatsApp I used to create this particular account. This is my main account. All right, this is a new WhatsApp I'm using for this tutorial. Okay, so we have P543. So what will happen is going to connect on the WhatsApp, link to the WhatsApp, but they will reject it on the platform because it's not the same WhatsApp number I gave to them. All right, so we have P543. I think that's what I saw there. Then we have GD2Y. So we have GD2Y, and that's it. It's going to be linking. It might take a few seconds to get connected depending on your network. All right, so let's wait for it to get connected. And perfect, it is connected already. You can see it here, connected. Google Chrome, Windows keep app open. It's connected already. Now when you go back to the platform, you're going to see it connected, but because this is not the same WhatsApp I gave to them, they're going to reject it. So let's go. Are you seeing it? Login field, but normally it has connected. That's how you connect it. Now with this, you are going to be making a whole lot of money every blessed day. Now if you refer somebody, they are going to pay you. The person stays active for 24 hours, they pay 1,000. Under 24 hours, they pay 1,000. Like that. So keep telling your friends, your church members, people, everybody you know, tell them, let them come. It's for free, and you make these commissions, and every day they are going to be paying you money. And without even referring people, they're going to be paying you small one. But more people you bring to the platform, the more money you make. I think this is it. This is it. If you are broke, if you really need money, this is what you're going to do to make money immediately. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Here we teach you realistic ways to make money online. Apart from this kind of thing, we teach you side hustle like content creation, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and the rest of them. And then we go as far as testing platforms like this to see their workabilities, and if it is working, we bring it down to you to show you here, and then you make use of it and make your own money. That is it. Okay, that is it. So if this is what you would like, please hit on the subscribe button and then click on the subscription bar. Now I would like to know where you are watching this video from so I can make more videos on platforms that will work according to your location. Okay, then if you have any question to ask me, please do ask me in the comment section. Please tell me your location so I can find a platform that is working in your location, because this might not work for every countries. And if you are Nigeria, let me know so I will know the population of my viewers. Okay, in my next video I'm going to be dropping a very important video that is going to help every one of you get started in 2025 with online business. All right, it's very important. It's going to make a whole lot of sense. That video is very important, so please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I'm Solomon Chooks from Solo Communications. See you on the next one.